and welcome finally back to my channel. I've missed you so much, it really hurts, so I really hope I'm not gonna fade away like this anymore. So yeah, today we're making something simple, something beautiful for your everyday life. And I started using eyeshadow primer and this beautiful gold eyeshadow. After that, we will use this golden bronze eyeshadow for crease and for your outer V, just a little bit. I use the same brush and the same eyeshadow for my under eye area, but you may use smaller brush, maybe it will be more comfortable for you, so yeah guys. And I used this small brush to apply gold eyeshadow under my eyes. First, I'm drawing my eyeliner using just eyeshadows, and today we will put a little bit of eyeliner from e.l.f. too, because I wanted to make something more vivid. So yeah, maybe you don't want to, so you can just blend it like this and you are ready. But I'm putting there a little bit, just a little bit of cream eyeliner, and I'm making it more smooth, just using my brush and a little bit, just a little bit of pigment. I wanted to add a cherry on top, so I used my Galaxy Chic palette from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just putting it with my finger all over my lid. So I think you already know my favorite mascara, and it is Catrice. And for today's makeup, I used Profusion Brow Set. I think it's one of the best sets that you may buy in a store, not spending a lot of money. So I think it's one of the best things for this money. And now wear your smile and just put a little bit of blush on your face and your cheeks. And this is all for this makeup. I really hope you like it, and please let me know if you missed me at least a little bit. So bye bye guys, see you soon, and remember that you're already beautiful.